Hey, if you guys are looking for a flat driveway with a flat lot in Alta Sierra that are hard to come by, well, I got one for you here in the heart of Alta Sierra, just a few minutes into downtown Grass Valley. It's 1,900 square feet, got plenty of room. It's got a sunroom, a really cool area for a kind of a gazebo built-in, hot tub in the back, all fenced backyard, level, ready to go, move-in ready. If you're looking for something fun and clean and easy access, even with a boat or small RV on the side area, give me a call, Eric at Century 21. Take care.